wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best Dopp kits for men. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. When every single ounce counts, the Sea to Summit traveling light is the way to go, especially for those embarking on backpacking or camping trips. There are 2 sizes to select from, each made from a water-resistant fabric and complete with a hook for hanging. It comes with a handy divider inside and includes a mirror too. However, it can't take as much abuse as some. At number 9, the styling is nothing to write home about, but the Gonex organizer provides durability for a low price. Its 3 compartments let you separate certain items if you want to keep your toothbrush and your shaving materials apart, for example. It weighs less than half a pound and is simple but effective. Note that the colors are different from the photos. Coming in at number 8 on our list. For those who throw their kit in their carry-on, the bagail quart is a good choice, as it's sized to meet TSA 311 regulations. It's crafted from transparent PVC, which makes it easy to see through, as well as a cinch to clean. It's sold in packs of 3 and affordably priced. However, it's not the most attractive model. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Dopp kits for men, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Mountaineer brand Ultimate comes with a collection of beard care tools that'll keep your facial hair looking pleasantly clean and under control. Everything is made with safe all-natural ingredients rather than any harsh artificial chemicals. It includes a brush and a comb and a high-quality oil and balm, but it sports rather prominent branding. Moving up our list to number 6. The size of the Vetelli Leo would likely be seen by most as a disadvantage, as it takes up too much space inside a piece of luggage. But if you have an enormous array of bathroom essentials you can't leave at home, it might be perfect for you. It's equipped with convenient dual zippers and a lower compartment for razors. It's made of animal-friendly leather. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Gentleman John Deluxe Wet Shave Kit comes with everything you need to take care of stubble, and all the contents are of the finest quality. It includes a stand to hang dry both the razor and the badger hair brush. It includes sandalwood soap and a stainless steel shaving bowl, along with 5 Astra SP blades. At number 4, if you're looking for something elegant that can hold a host of toiletries, the Komalc Genuine Buffalo may be the way to go. It hangs from an integrated hook to keep it safely away from moisture at the sink. It's incredibly soft to the touch and has a carrying handle on the top. However, the hook doesn't swivel. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the fat felt waxed cotton stands out for its ample width, providing nearly 220 cubic inches of storage for everything from a toothbrush and a razor to large tubes of shaving cream or moisturizer. It's quite handsome too. There are several 2-tone options, all with a smooth cast metal zipper and a vegetable tanned handle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Dopp kits for men, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you don't want expensive leather or a heavy material, you can save a little money by buying the Zero Grid Travel Toiletry Bag. Its 420 denier ripstop nylon should last for years. It's very lightweight and about 10 inches long. It comes in black or grey. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Herschel Chapter comes in a host of colour options, each with enough space for most standard toiletries. The whole package is durable and well designed. It's equipped with a waterproof zipper and a pebbled leather pull. It's good value for the price too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Dopp kits for men, or simply click beneath this video.